Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and looking for the latest in PC hardware, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today we are diving into the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 gaming OC16G graphics card. This card is built on the new NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and is packed with features for both gamers and creators. Right out of the box, you get a massive 16 GB of GDDR7 memory on a 128-bit interface, which is fantastic for high-resolution textures and demanding applications. It supports PCIe 5.0, making it ready for future platforms. Under the hood, it runs with a GPU clock speed of 2647 MHz and integrates the latest DLSS 4 technology, along with enhanced RT cores and tensor cores for superior ray tracing and AI acceleration. This particular gaming OC model utilizes the WINDFORCE cooling system to keep things running cool, and user feedback suggests excellent thermal performance, often staying well in comfortable operating ranges even under heavy load. Video outputs are flexible, featuring both DisplayPort and HDMI options, allowing you to connect to a wide range of displays. Reviewers consistently praise its smooth gaming performance, quiet operation, and overall value proposition. It's powerful enough to replace older generation high-end cards and delivers impressive frame rates in modern titles. If you're looking to step up your gaming rig with next-generation power, the GIGABYTE RTX 5060 gaming OC16G is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.